Yes, good morning class 4. Class 4, good morning. I am audible and visible to everyone. I am audible and visible to everyone. Okay. Okay. Listen, today I want to give you the term 1 syllabus, so kindly you note it down the term 1 syllabus, okay? And it is from magic and composite both, so quickly write it down. And this is my request to everyone, switch off your front camera and mute your microphone. Rupsha, Chandan, mute your microphone and switch off your front camera, okay? And one more request, kindly those who are present, just write present ma'am. Just write present ma'am. Okay, I have got your attendance. This is for your, yes, this is for your attendance. Just write present ma'am. Okay, those who are present. Yes. Others, quickly write down the syllabus of term 1. Syllabus of term 1. From Math Magic. From Math Magic, it is chapter number 1, Building with Bricks. Building with Bricks. Rizwana, switch off your front camera. Rizwana, switch off your front camera. Building with Bricks. Second chapter is Long and Short. Third chapter is A Trip to Bhopal. And fifth chapter is The Way the World Looks. And sixth one, The Junk Cellar. And seventh one, Jugs and Mugs. You just note it down in your book. Take out your Math Magic book and note it down in your Math Magic book. Okay. Rizwana, switch off your front camera. Switch off your front camera, otherwise my voice and my video will not be clear to everyone. Yes, just mark in your book chapter number 1, Building with Bricks, then chapter number 2, Long and Short, then chapter number 3, A Trip to Bhopal, chapter number 4, Tick Tick Tick, chapter number 5, The Way the World Looks, and chapter number 6, The Junk Cellar. One more, that is chapter number 7, Jugs and Mugs. This is related to term 1. This is related to term 1, okay. The chapters in term 1 are Building with Bricks, Long and Short, A Trip to Bhopal, Tick Tick Tick, The Way the World Looks, The Junk Cellar, Jugs and Mugs. That means from chapter number 1 to chapter number 7 will come in term 1 exam. And related to this, in math, composite maths. From chapter number 1 to chapter number 7 you have in term 1. Clear? Chapter number 1 to chapter number 7 in term 1. for math magic. And for composite maths, now quickly write for composite maths. Number system, addition and subtraction. Chapter number 3, number system. Chapter number 4, addition and subtraction. Then chapter number 16, three-dimensional shapes. This is with building with bricks. Building with bricks. Okay, I am writing on the board. In Math Magic, chapter number 1, building with bricks. Related to this, in composite maths, you will practice chapter number 3, number system. Chapter number 4, addition and subtraction. And chapter number 16, three-dimensional shapes. Then chapter number 2, long and short. For this you will practice chapter number 12, measures of length. Chapter number 3, a trip to Bhopal. That you will practice chapter number 5. Multiplication. Then chapter number 4. Tick, tick, tick. For this you will prepare chapter number 18, time, chapter number 19, calendar, chapter number 8 and chapter number 9. Completed writing? I have to rub the board. Completed writing? Can I rub the board? Rizwana, still your you have not switched off your camera, front camera. Rizwana, still the camera is on, your front camera is on, I can see. Kindly switch it off. Okay, I am rubbing the board. Then you write chapter number 5. Chapter 5, the way the world looks. The way the world looks. In this you are already preparing in the three-dimensional shapes, so nothing from composite maths. Then chapter number 6, junk cellar, and for this you will prepare chapter number 11, money. The last one is chapter number 7, it is jugs and mugs. And for this you will prepare chapter number 12, capacity. Okay. So these are the chapters for your term 1. 7 chapters from magic. Clear? Clear everyone? These are the 7 chapters from your math magic. Now, any doubt to anyone up to this? Any doubt to anyone up to this? See, Rizwana, there is a video icon in your laptop. Okay, press that one. Press that one. Then your front camera will be moved. Your front camera will be moved then. Rizwana, tell your parents to do it. If you are not able to do, tell your father to do it. There is a front camera. Switch off that front camera. And Rupsha, very good Rizwana, you have done it. Very good. And Rupsha, what you are sending? What is this? You are in the class. Why you are sending this type of emojis? Okay, everyone clear? So this is for your term 1 exam. Okay, and the first 2 chapters are for your PT1. The first 2 chapters, chapter number 1, building with bricks, and related to that it is number system, addition and subtraction, and 3-dimensional. It is PT1. And chapter number 2, long and short, this is also PT1, and measures of length for long and short. And as you know that the PT, you are practicing PT1 also in the term 1 chapter. That means term 1 includes the PT1 chapters also. Okay. Now quickly come to the topic Math Magic, page number 79. This is jugs and mugs. Only only 2 options are left, 2 topics are left. Let us discuss in that. Okay. Quickly come to the Shubhango, in PT1 it is chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 from Math Magic. Okay, and from composite maths, whatever chapters I have written in front of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, that chapters will come in PT1. Okay, very soon you will have the test or the assessment. Now come to page number 79, chapter number 7, jugs and mugs. Quickly come to jugs and mugs. I want to complete this chapter today. See, drops and drops make an ocean. Is there any tap in your school or your home which is leaking? I think you have seen there is some taps which is leaking. How much water do you think we waste through a leaking tap? Yes, I think you know that we are wasting a lot of water for the whole day from that leaking tap. That means drop by drop the water is coming out from that leaking tap, and it is a lot of amount we are wasting. Place your little jar below the leaking tap so as to catch all the drops in the bottle. Note the time. After 1 hour, check how much water is in the bottle. Now here it is told that take a bottle and keep it near the leaking tap, and just observe that what is the time and how up to which time or what time it takes to fill that jar. Note the time, and then you calculate for 1 hour how much the water is being wasted. Okay. Now come to page number 80, the next page. Page number 80. Find out how much water is wasted in a day. So for 1 hour, how much water or what is the quantity of the water for 1 hour? First you find it out. Okay. Then you find it out for in a week. In a week, how much is the water wasted? First you will find for 1 week. First you will find for 1 hour. Then for 1 hour you will find for 24 hours. That means 1 day. Okay. You will find for 1 day. After that 1 day, then you will find for 1 week. 1 week means 7 days. So whatever the amount you are getting, you will multiply by 7. Next is in a month. So whatever you are getting in 1 week, if you are multiplying by 4 weeks, you will get for a month, isn't it? Because in 1 month we have 4 weeks. So you will multiply by 4. And then in a year, and in a year we have 12 months, so you will multiply by 12. Then you will see just a huge amount is coming. Okay, that much of water we are wasting by the leaking tap. Clear? So this is, even in the picture also it is shown. So this is for the this was the last question in this chapter. Okay, now puzzle. At the Milk Society, it is a puzzle, I think you all can solve. I am reading it, you just see. Chelanur village has a milk society. There is a village named Chelanur and there has a milk society. Geeta and Amini went there to buy 4 liters of milk. You can see in the picture, the two girls, they have gone for 4 liters of milk to buy. But the man could not find the 1 liter. He told only a 3 liter and a 5 liter bottle with him. But he gave them exactly 4 liters of milk. Explain how he did this. See, the 1 liter measurement was not with him. So what he has done? He has 3 liters and 5 liters of measurement. So what he has done? You have to find it out. How he has measured 4 liters and then given to them. Can you find it out? Can you find it out? Shubhangu, what is the meaning of 7 week you are writing here? 7 week. Can you find it out? How the milkman has measured exactly 4 liters. Okay, then listen properly. What he has done, the milkman. First of all, he has measured 5 liters of milk in a can. Okay, then what he has done? Then with the 3 liters measurement, he has taken out the 3 liters from the 5 liters. So how much is left? That is 2 liters is left with the within the can, isn't it? Again he has done he has taken 5 liters, and from that 5 liters again he has taken out 3 liters. So again 2 liters are left, isn't it? So 2 plus 2, 4 liters. So this way he has got 4 liters of milk and he has given to the two girls, okay, Geeta and Amini. No, Rupsha, it is wrong. He doesn't have the 4 liter measure. he has only two measurement, one is 3 and one is 5 liter. Okay, with this two measurements, 3 liter and 5 liter, he has measured 4 liters. How he has measured 4 liters? First of all, he has taken 5 liters of milk. From that 5 liters, he has taken out 3 liters. Okay, so how much is left? 2 liters. Again, in another can, he has measured 5 liters of milk, and again from that 5 liters, he has taken out 3 liters of the milk. So again 2 liters left. So in the first can 2 liter, in the second can 2 liter. That means when he is mixing that 2 plus 2, it is becoming 4 liters, and this 4 liters he has given to these two girls, Geeta and Amini. Clear? Is it clear? Now in this chapter, anyone having any doubt? In this chapter, anyone having any doubt? Quickly tell me, in this chapter, anyone having any doubt? No doubt. Okay, then students, today up to this only, because today the class is very short. Today up to this only. We will discuss the next chapter in our next class. Okay, so for today, bye all of you, and whatever we have done up to chapter number 7, you just practice it. Clear? And practice the offline videos. That means you will practice the composite maths also, and I have given the videos in the composite maths. Kindly follow that. Okay, bye all of you.